Often I get this question, Rita, we have a residential property, we don't have much cash, but we want to buy more properties. How could that be possible? If you are the one looking into the same or you have the same question, you're at the right place. So stay tuned because I will be sharing with you how my clients have bought multiple properties just through their one first residential home. Please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon because that way you can get the notifications and any upcoming new videos. You will get some new ideas from those videos. So my name is Rita JT, real estate broker with Century 21 Innovative, and I'm going to share with you today how you could possibly buy more properties just from one property. What happens is that a lot of times we think, oh my God, I want to pay off my house, I want to pay off my house, I don't want to keep paying my mortgage rest of my life. But is that the right thing to do? It depends. It depends upon you how much risk you're able to take, or how much, or do you know what is the benefit of paying off or using the equity from your house and buying more properties. Because a lot of time, as I mentioned earlier, people think, oh, I don't have money and how could I buy a second property? Everybody wants to do that. So there is a process. The first thing is you have to have money in order to buy the second property. So always, let's say you bought a house for $800,000. And now the value of that property is maybe $1 million. And when you bought the house, you paid some down, maybe 20%, 10%, 15%. So you have enough of equity in your house now. And if you have listened to my first video where I walked you step by step to purchase a home, there is a process to buy your multiple properties. And again, it comes back to sitting down with the mortgage professional who is going to lend you the money. And let's say we meet with the lender and they say, okay, you have this much equity in your house based on your income and other credentials. You could buy another property worth maybe $700,000 or who knows, maybe $900,000 at that point. But the second step comes to knowing what would be a good investment for me. Not necessarily if one investment is good for me, might be good investment for you or a third person. So how would you determine what is a good investment for you? You need to sit down with a real estate professional who has been helping other clients or who has been working with the investors day in and day out. So ask yourself what risks you're able to take, how much time you have. If you buy a property, how much time would you have to devote on that? Or are you a handy person? Should you be buying a condo or should you be buying a detached or a freehold? What would be the distance? Where should you buy that property? Should that be within the range of maybe half an hour drive or 2 hours drive or 4 hours drive? It all depends. So that is the most important thing for you to know what would be a good investment. And based on our experiences, we can always share and educate you that what you should be doing and how you can get into multiple properties from that. But the thing is, are you ready to take the risk? It's not a risk, I would say, because the interest rates are so low these days. Why do you want to pay off the house? Why not use that, the banks are giving interest rate 2.5, 2.7, even lower than that based on your credentials. So why not use that money and invest in where you can make more money? So my question to you is, are you willing to look into that opportunity? are you the one who are thinking of buying multiple properties? So my details are in the description below, and you could call me at 416-841-2584 if you have any question and if you are thinking of buying more properties. I know it is not just like a magic stick that, okay, I have an equity and I can buy more properties. No, that's not, it doesn't work that way. So I would strongly recommend that if you are thinking of buying more properties, what kind of property should you be buying, how you can buy those, and how my clients have done that. I have done that. It happened, and I could never even dream about it, getting into multiple properties. But I started from somewhere, I took an action, I used my equity from my home, and we bought multiple properties. And that's how my other clients have done. But again, I'm saying it is not just that if you have an equity, you can buy multiple properties. So you can either, if you have any contacts with any real estate professionals who are working with their clients and helping them invest, talk to them, or feel free to give me a call. I'll be more than happy to sit down with no obligation and walk you through the process and see what you can do. But the most important thing is taking an action. If you don't take an action, nothing is going to happen. Thanks for listening to me, and I look forward to bringing more and more of these kind of videos and share my experiences and my clients who have made like from 1 property to 20, 1 to 10, 1 to 5, and just it's a start. I have within 2 years, they have bought like 2 properties. So stay tuned for my more upcoming videos, and I'm happy to work with you. Thank you once again, and look forward to bringing you more and more videos. Bye.